Start.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Vaibhav and today we have OnePlus Nord C2 device in our house. So let's make a quick unboxing, first impression and the review of this device. So I'm opening this device right away. Let's see what we can get in the box. So this is a pouch kind of a thing. Let's see what we can get it. This is a TPU case. This is SIM ejector pin. These are the few documentation, few sticker of OnePlus Nord. Okay, these are the documentation. This is a red club card. So that's it. And let's talk about the device. Let's keep this aside for a while. This is 33-watt hook charger, super hook charger. You will get it in the box itself. So you don't need to hunt for any special charges for this device. And this is familiar red club membership. This is a red club cable for the typical OnePlus device. You will get it in the box itself. So let's keep this aside. Now we can talk about the device. So this is basically the blue jade color, and we have one more color, that is black dust color. So I'm just opening this. Just look at this device. It's a totally unique design that OnePlus Nord CE2 launch. The overall feel of the device is also very good. The total, as per the screen size, if you look, the total 6.5 inches screen, which is LCD panel. It is not a Super AMOLED panel. It's a LCD panel. Screen size is 6.5. Okay, and this device is run through the Snapdragon 695 processor. Okay, so if you just look at the ports and the button, we have Type-C cable port. These are the speaker grill. These are the 3.5 mm jack is back now. Okay, you can get it in the for this particular device. If you see on the upper side, this is a noise cancellation mic. Okay, and this is power on and off key, and from the left side it is a volume rocker up and down. You will get it. Okay, and if you see on the back, this is a OnePlus badging. You can find it on the back. You will get it this back. And let's talk about the camera. This is primary camera, that is 64 megapixel primary. We have a 2 megapixel as a EIS support and the 2 megapixel as a micro lens. On the back you will get the 16 megapixel for the selfie shooter to take the immersive selfie. So this is all about the features of this device. Similarly, the most highlighted part is the battery. You will get the 5000 mAh battery in this device itself. So that is also a good part. So you will get the better battery backup compared to all Nord device. Okay, but there is only one part is missing. It's one alert slider we could not see here. But the good part is we will get it the 3.5 mm audio jack, which usually not get in the premium OnePlus device. So this is all about the features and the highlight of the OnePlus Nord CE device. You will get this is basically 8 GB 128 GB variant, and you will get it around 21,000 from the Flipkart or the Amazon kind of a retailer store. Similarly, you will get this device from this back. If you saw the mobile junction is the shop, you will get this device itself on some 19 or 20,000 based on your budget and the price quoted. So thanks for watching this video. Do like, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the red button on the below. Thanks for watching.